Let's do your homework. It is only, I think, 4 problems. Okay, so the first problem. Ariana is training for the Olympics. Oh. For every mile that she runs, and M is going to be the letter we use for miles, she does 10 minutes of body weight circuit training. Oh, that sounds intense. Which equation is to find T, and T is the total time that she is working on her body weight circuit training. So we are trying to find T, which means T should be our answer. T is our answer. T is, oops, nope. T is our answer. T, no. Okay. We're deciding between an additive and a multiplicative relationship. For every is a pretty significant hint. Every mile she runs, she does 10 minutes. So if you are still unclear about what that relationship is, you can make yourself a little T-chart. Miles, and then total minutes. If she runs 1 mile, she does 10 minutes of body weight circuit training. If she runs 2 miles, she does 20 minutes. If she does 3 miles, that's 30 minutes. That is a, you decide, additive or multiplicative relationship. Here we have an additive relationship. Even though it looks like it's subtracting, that is additive. And to be perfectly honest with you, I don't know what to call this type of relationship because there's neither adding nor multiplying there. That's just a relationship. Now let's choose our answer. In both equations, the value of y is, remember that is means equals, y is 1 more than x. I don't think so. In both equations, the value of y is equal to the value of x. Not in both of them, just in one of them. In this equation right here, this y equals x minus 1, the value of y is 1 less than x. English is a weird language. When you see 1 less than, it actually means the minus 1 is going at the end. This part is true. In this equation, the value of y is equal to x. Also true. Ta-da! Which of these lists the dependent values means numbers? Obviously, all the answer choices are numbers, but a lot of you are mistaking values and variables today on your exit ticket. So remember that values means numbers, variables oftentimes means words, or just the x or y variable. Dependent, tell me the list that is the dependent numbers, and only the dependent numbers. This table shows the relationship between E and F, where E is the independent variable. Oh, well, we could have figured that one out because E is on top. That's where the independent variables go. Okay, so that means we start with E and our answer should be F. Our answer should be F. Nope. Don't even need to start looking at the numbers before I can tell that one's wrong. All right, if I have 15 and I go to 14, I can see that the additive relationship is minus 1. I would be struggling to think of, off the top of my head, a multiplicative relationship. So I'm just going to go quick check and, oh, minus 1. Minus 1. Phew, that one works because it was going to be a challenge to come up with a multiplicative relationship there. It was going to involve some fractions or decimals. All right, so you need to decide which of these shows your relationship. Oh, I'm seeing a minus 1, a plus 1, and a divided by 1. I think you can figure it out. I lied to you. I'm so sorry. There were 5 problems. We can do it. The coordinate grid, remember coordinate, if you put a C there, that's how you remember the order of your quadrants. The coordinate grid below shows points P, Q, R, and S. All the coordinates for these points are integers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, no decimals, no fractions. What is the y-coordinate of point R? Don't care about Q, don't care about P, don't care about S. Here's R. If I were to give you the full ordered pair, it would be -1, -3. But I did not ask you for that, and that is the wrong answer. I only asked you for the y-coordinate, the y value in that ordered pair. So I do not want my answer to be an ordered pair. I don't want parentheses. I don't want a comma. I just want one number. It's one of those two, whichever one is the y number. And now you're really done with your homework. I'll see you tomorrow. We have one more day before our mock star. We can do it.